What's up, YouTube? Ryan with the MXG channel here. The 2025 model year Husqvarna dirt bikes are about to release here in just a few minutes. So I want to show you guys pictures of them, and I'm going to read you the media release, talk about a couple things, let you know what I think, and I'm sure you'll see a lot of other stuff out there on the internet too. But let's start with the media release as we look at these photos. So, Husqvarna Motorcycles, Motocross and Cross Country 2025. For 2025, the motocross lineup from Husqvarna Motorcycles expands to 7 models with the new two-stroke TC150. Yes! And the TC300. The Cross Country TX300 and FX350 models bring the rest of the motocross platforms to the trails. Each competition-focused machine is expertly crafted with the latest technology and premium components. Every machine is built around an updated chassis, which was first introduced for 2023. Now, with the material removed around the upper shock mount and steering head, the flex characteristics of the frame are optimized for improved cornering, but still retaining straight line stability. In addition, new engine mounts for the 4-stroke range further enhance the agility of each machine. The new TC150 has been introduced to bridge the gap between the TC125 and TC250. Based upon the class-leading TC125, the 150cc machine provides riders competing against 250cc 4-stroke machines with improved levels of power and torque. The same philosophy applies to the TC TX300. Built from the proven foundations of the TC250, the 300cc model is capable of racing with 450 4-strokes thanks to its versatile engine, which delivers exceptional torque and peak power. The FC250 and FC FX350 retain their state-of-the-art dual overhead cam engines, which are designed to be lightweight and play a vital role in elevating overall handling. Together with the FC450, the flagship model of the lineup, all 4-stroke models are equipped with the latest technology and electronic rider aids for unrivaled performance. All motorcycles are finished with updated bodywork and new graphics, lower friction linkage bearing seals, a slightly taller and wider seat, premium components including Dunlop MX34 tires, Brembo clutch and brake system, Pro Taper handlebars, ODI grips. The TX300 and FX350 cross-country machines enjoy large capacity fuel tanks, cross-country specific gearing, convenient side stands, WP Exact closed cartridge spring forks, and a 21 18-inch DID Dirt Star wheel set fitted with Dunlop MX33 front and AT81 rear tires. The technical highlights for the 2025 model year: revised chassis for enhanced flex and cornering agility, new linkage seals and linkage bolt for smoother shock performance and weight savings, new Dunlop Geomax MX34, new engine mounts, new WP suspension settings, revised radiator shrouds finished with new graphics. I'd like to know how the revised, I know we got the new radiator shrouds on the KX. Surprises me that they changed them on the Husqvarna as well. Revised swing arm improves durability of the chain slider. Slightly higher and wider seat with a high grip cover for maximum control and maneuverability. TBI on 2-stroke engines ensures class-leading power and reliability. A multifunctional map switch. Select 2 engine maps, houses the quick shifter, traction control, launch control buttons on all 4-stroke models. Aluminum polyamide hybrid subframe construction. WP Exact 48 with AER Tech on the FC and TC. WP Exact closed cartridge 48mm spring forks on the FX and TX. WP Exact rear shock with CFD optimized main piston and tool-free adjusters. High performance Brembo hydraulic clutch. Premium quality Pro Taper handlebars and ODI grips. Electric starter on all models powered by a lightweight lithium ion 2.0 amp hour battery. So my thoughts on this thing, they're just doing what Husky does. They are keeping that plain classy look. They're not ever going to do anything wild, I don't think, besides maybe with the Rockstar editions. You know, they're keeping that dark blue frame. They're staying true to those Swedish roots, and I don't see them messing with that brand much more. We might get some grays, but these bikes are never going to look loud like a KTM, or look fun like a Gas or anything like that. But yeah, it's pretty much what we expected. This is the third year of this generation, and being that the KTMs don't have orange frames, that's usually how KTM signals that it's the last year of a generation. Sometimes these generations go 3 years, sometimes they go 4 years. With supply chain issues in the world recently, you know, we've seen Cowie go what they went 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. They went 5 years. So, you know, who knows what KTM might do. They probably are reeling from all the effort they put into putting out 4 completely new motorcycles during, you know, the pandemic and all of that. So, yeah, pretty much what we expected. There was a few rumors that maybe some of these bikes, some of these motocross models would go to spring forks. That didn't happen. I'm glad it didn't happen. You guys know I love the air forks, the free spring rate adjustments, more adjustment, lighter front end, easier service, all of that just make these forks great. So these bikes are cool. We are pumped to see the TC 150 back. Constantly got questions about that. Why did they stop making the 150? Man, I don't know. Why did they stop making the 200? I don't know. I'd like to see both those back. But yeah, now we just await the gas release. So when I know something, I will let you guys know. Thanks for watching. Oh yeah, and as usual, if you appreciate any of these vids, hit my link down below and grab some parts from AOMC. They've got a whole new system over there, which has made the whole picking and shipping process a lot better, a lot faster. So if you haven't ordered in a while, go try out the new system. I think you'll like it.